Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover various methods for alleviating video lag while editing in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've loaded a video project that causes a lot of lag in Premiere. One of the first methods you can try to reduce lag and stutter is to go up to Edit, Preferences, and then Memory. Ensure the setting Optimize Rendering For is set to Performance. You'll also want to make sure RAM reserved for other applications is set to the lowest amount possible. In my case, it's set to 3 GB. Then hit OK. The second method you can try is to use this drop-down box to lower the resolution of the video preview. I've set mine to 1/4, but you could experiment with what works for you. The third method may not be ideal for every scenario because it disables all effects. However, if you just want to focus on cutting video together, this will help. In the video preview panel, click the plus symbol to the right and look for a stylized FX icon. Drag it to your toolbar and click it so it goes blue. This will disable all effects on your preview. Lastly, if you're still having issues but really need to see a smooth preview of your project, you can simply render a portion of your timeline. Move the time marker to where the lagging part of your video begins. Click the Mark In button or the letter I on your keyboard for the in point. Now move the time marker to where the lagging portion of your video stops. Click the Mark Out button or the letter O on your keyboard for the out point. Go up to Sequence, then click Render In Out. It may take a few minutes, but now that segment of your video will play back and scrub smoothly with all effects applied. Keep in mind that this render is only temporary and it will need to be redone if you modify any content within the in and out points. Between all of the methods mentioned, you should be able to achieve a marked improvement in performance. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.